Today we are going to be making cornbread salad. So to start off, we're going to need to make some cornbread. So I have 2 packages here of the Jiffy corn mix. And we put those in there and we're going to cook it as per the directions. So we are going to put 2/3 a cup of milk. And we're going to add 2 eggs. And as with any batter, you want to just lightly mix it together. There will be some lumps left with cornbread. And that should be good enough right there. And we are going to pour this into a 9x9 pan that I have greased up with some butter. You can use a spray. And then we're going to put this in here and cook it to 16 to 20 minutes at 400 degrees. I have found it usually takes closer to the 20 minutes. And you want it done in the center, so you need to check the center either with a toothpick or with a knife until it comes out clean. And I'll be back when that is done. Okay, so our cornbread has been baked and it has been cooled. It needs to be completely cooled. And so, because now we're going to put it in a bowl. We're just going to kind of crunch it up here. Yep, your hands are the best thing for this. And it doesn't have to be completely crumbled up because we're going to be stirring this up anyway. Okay, so to that we are going to add, I diced up 2 bell peppers, 1 red onion, got a pound of bacon, and usually I use garden fresh tomatoes. It's winter right now, so I've been using the petite or the cherry tomatoes because they taste better. But you want the equivalent of 2 garden tomatoes. We're also going to add, this is Colby Jack. You can use just cheddar if you want. Any kind of shredded cheese is fine. And that was probably about half a pound. It was because it was a pound bag. Alright, so now we're going to make the dressing that goes on here. So in my measuring cup here, I've got 2 cups of Miracle Whip. You can use mayo if you want. We prefer the Miracle Whip. And we're going to add a 1/2 cup of milk. A 1/4 cup of sugar. And then about a 1/4 cup of sweet relish. I'm going to mix this all up. Alright, so now we're going to put this in with our cornbread mixture here and mix it in. Now this is something that is, you want to make a little ahead of time, because you're going to want to have this nice and chilled. That's when it tastes best. And it stays in the refrigerator for probably a couple of days. It's going to get a little watery on you the longer it sits in the fridge for days, but it still tastes good. This is definitely better whenever you can make it out of fresh garden vegetables. And as you can see, this makes a huge bowl. So make sure you have friends and family over whenever you make this. But I'll continue mixing until it's all mixed up, and that's what you have. Cornbread salad. Hope you enjoy. Have a blessed week.